Looking for the best wireless earbuds that actually deliver great sound, long battery life, and all-day comfort? In this video, I'm breaking down the top 5 wireless earbuds you should consider right now. No hype, just real insights to help you choose smarter. Hit subscribe and let's find the perfect pair for you. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's dive in. Number 1. Apple Wireless Earbuds. Apple Wireless Earbuds, better known as AirPods, are designed to make everyday listening simple, smooth, and reliable. From the moment you open the case, they connect instantly to your iPhone, iPad, or Mac, creating a seamless Apple ecosystem experience. The sound is clean and well-balanced, with clear vocals, strong mids, and controlled bass that works great for music, calls, and videos. So why are Apple wireless earbuds better than many others? The biggest advantage is ease of use. Auto pairing, automatic device switching, and stable connectivity make them incredibly user-friendly. Features like touch or stem controls, voice assistant support, and smart sensors add to the premium experience. Pros include excellent call quality, reliable battery performance, lightweight comfort, and smooth integration with Apple devices. Cons are limited customization for non-Apple users and fewer advanced sound adjustments compared to some competitors. In real-world use, AirPods are dependable. Just take them out of the case, place them in your ears, and they're ready. Charging is simple, and the compact case is easy to carry anywhere. Overall, Apple wireless earbuds are great for everyday users, professionals, students, and anyone already using Apple devices. They're not for people who want deep manual sound tuning, but for convenience and reliability, they're hard to beat. See the description for more details. Number 2. Samsung Wireless Earbuds. Samsung wireless earbuds are designed for people who want a smooth, reliable, and premium everyday listening experience. From the moment you put them on, you notice the clean design, comfortable fit, and solid build quality that Samsung is known for. They deliver clear sound with deep bass, balanced mids, and crisp highs, making them great for music, calls, and streaming. What really makes Samsung wireless earbuds better than many others is how well everything works together. The connection is fast and stable, especially with Samsung phones, and features like touch controls, smart noise management, and seamless device switching make daily use easier. They feel polished and dependable, not cheap or complicated. Pros include excellent sound quality, comfortable all-day wear, strong battery performance, and easy-to-use controls. Cons may include fewer advanced features on non-Samsung devices and touch controls that take a little time to master. My analysis: these earbuds are built for real-life use. They're easy to set up, just open the case, connect via Bluetooth, and you're ready to go. They're good because they're reliable, comfortable, and sound great. They're not ideal if you want extreme customization or studio-level tuning. Samsung wireless earbuds are perfect for commuters, students, remote workers, and anyone who wants quality without hassle. See the description for more details. Number 3. Jabra Wireless Earbuds. The Jabra Wireless Earbuds, a brand well known for combining smart design with reliable performance. These earbuds are built for everyday use, whether you're working, traveling, or just relaxing with your favorite music. Jabra earbuds stand out because of their balanced sound quality, clear vocals, and strong bass that doesn't overpower. Many models also feature active noise cancellation, helping you stay focused even in busy environments. The fit is comfortable and secure, making them great for long listening sessions or workouts. Compared to many other wireless earbuds, Jabra focuses heavily on call quality. The built-in microphones do an excellent job reducing background noise, which makes calls sound clearer and more professional. Battery life is also solid, easily lasting through a full day with the charging case. Pros include great sound clarity, reliable Bluetooth connection, comfortable fit, and strong call performance. Cons may include a slight learning curve with touch controls and fewer customization options on some models. Using them is simple, just pair through Bluetooth, customize settings in the app if available, and you're ready to go. Overall, Jabra wireless earbuds are a smart choice for professionals, commuters, fitness users, and anyone who values sound quality and call clarity. See the description for more details. Number 4. bmanl wireless earbuds. The bmanl wireless earbuds are worth checking out. These earbuds are designed for daily use, offering a clean, modern look with a compact charging case that's easy to carry in your pocket. Once paired, the connection is stable, making them suitable for music, calls, workouts, and casual listening. The sound profile is well balanced, with clear vocals and solid bass that works for most music styles. What makes bmanl wireless earbuds stand out compared to many basic options is their focus on comfort and usability. They're lightweight, fit securely in the ear, and are easy to control, even for first-time users. Pros include comfortable fit, simple pairing, dependable battery life, and clear sound for everyday use. Cons may include limited advanced features and sound tuning that's more practical than premium. Using them is simple, just open the case, connect via Bluetooth, and you're ready to go. They're good for commuting, workouts, students, and anyone who wants wireless freedom without complexity. They may not be ideal for audiophiles, but for everyday users, they do the job well. See the description for more details. Number 5. Raycon wireless earbuds. The Raycon wireless earbuds, a popular choice for people who want everyday performance without complications. Raycon earbuds are designed to deliver clear sound with strong bass, making them great for music, podcasts, calls, and workouts. They feature a compact, lightweight design that sits comfortably in your ears, even during long listening sessions. The earbuds connect quickly via Bluetooth and stay stable, whether you're walking, commuting, or exercising. So why choose Raycon over other wireless earbuds? One big advantage is ease of use. You don't need advanced setup or constant adjustments, just open the case, connect, and you're ready to go. Raycon also focuses on balanced sound tuning, which works well across different music genres. Pros include comfortable fit, reliable wireless connection, and solid battery life for daily use. Cons may include limited customization options and sound that's tuned more for casual listeners than audiophiles. Using Raycon earbuds is simple: charge the case, pair them with your device, and control playback using the built-in touch controls. Overall, Raycon wireless earbuds are good for people who want simple, dependable earbuds for everyday life. They may not be perfect for everyone, but they do the basics very well. See the description for more details. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.